Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily send silent message in Instagram app. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also put your likes and write your comments after watching this video. So let's get down to our topic. For this, open the Instagram app. Next, go to Conversations. After that, go to Correspondence with the person you want to silently correspond with. This is a very cool method, by the way, if you don't want there to be any notification sound, or to not disturb the person. And to do that, click on the message entry bar. Now on your keyboard, select this sign here. The slash sign. And now you see that you have the silent mode, click on it. And now you can write a message and send it. And the person won't get a notification. What you've written to them until they go in and see that they have a +1 message from you. Friends, this is the way you can easily send silent messages on Instagram. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put likes and also write comments. See you soon.